World Health Organization, the world population is 800 crores. But out of those 800 crores, 100 crores individually, 100 crores has mental health problems. That is a 13% of the worldly population. And today I'm talking about men's mental health because men को stereotype किया जाता है by many proverbs कि मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता and so on. What exactly is mental health? Does anybody know? So mental health is how we think, our thoughts, how we feel, what are those thoughts making us feel, and the last part is how we behave. How we think, how we feel, and how we behave is what mental health really is. And when someone is having distortion in thinking, distortion in feeling, distortion in behaving, then we call it as ill mental health. So like I said, मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. This is a very, very toxic masculinity statement when we idealize that men should always be strong and they should not portray their weak side. They should not be vulnerable. They should not show that they are feeling sad or they should not cry. लड़के नहीं रोते. And मर्द बनना है तो मजबूत बनो. I think ये हमारे कल्चर में भी और इंडिया से बाहर भी it is appreciated for men to be violent because लड़ाई होती है तो हाथापाई पे बात आ जाती है and that's how people appreciate men being men. But that's not something that we must appreciate. We must rather appreciate open dialogue, open communication. If something is going wrong, we must talk about it so that we can address it, solve it, and completely dilute it. Violence is not something that we must look out for. And apart from that, these are some more proverbs. मर्द हमेशा लड़ता है, कभी हार नहीं मानता है. असली मर्द अपने लिए नहीं, दूसरों के लिए जीता है. मर्द है तो सामने आ. Did you guys know that men suicide more than women? Because of mental health issues, women are more prone to having mental health issues, but they cope more easily than men. But men have mental health issues and they're not able to cope with it. Imagine कितने सारे cases होते हैं जो under reported है, जो report करते ही नहीं है that they are facing mental health challenges. Stigma and barriers for men. Like I said, the proverbs that I told you, that stigma is always there, and it's something that it's not easy for men to come out and speak about it. Ki I'm having a mental health issue or a mental health challenge. So for cutting down of what really can be done for this topic is that we appreciate open communication, open dialogue, and we actually neutralize about this. And that we can do through support group sessions and campaigns that can raise more awareness on men's mental health. Toxic masculinity is when you have to pretend about being a man, and like, of course you're a man, but you have to pretend being strong and being always the alpha male and things like that, even though you're going through a very hard time or very difficult time, but you have to show that you're not going through a difficult time. India's stand on men's mental health is that there have been government support in raising awareness on mental health, and the government is working towards raising awareness with combining with a few NGOs and non-profit organizations that are raising awareness like me. So potential causes of mental health issues. There are 3 reasons. या तो जेनेटिक होता है, किसी को हेरिडिटरी मेंटल हेल्थ इशू आती है अपने मॉम से या डैड से, या तो एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशंस के बेसिस पे किसी को मेंटल हेल्थ इशू होता है, जैसे कि अगर कोई स्कूल में बहुत बुली हो रहा है या उसे टीचर से बहुत ज़्यादा डांट पड़ती है या फिर उसके घर में उसे बहुत मारते हैं, तो एनवायरमेंट ऑल्सो प्लेज अ वेरी बिग फैक्टर इन affecting the mental health. And the third point is brain disorder, which can be possible when there is a by birth defect. Potential causes of mental health issues. These are the reasons, another lifestyle kind of reasons which can cause mental health disorders like poverty, imprisonment, divorce, loneliness, long-term illness, relationships, unemployment, sexual abuse, addiction, environment again. Caring responsibilities means too many responsibilities. Now, this is the response of mental functioning. There are 6 areas of mental health functioning, which is number 1 is thinking. आप कैसा सोचते हो? आपको negative thoughts आते हैं या आपको positive thoughts आते हैं? Number 2 is perception. आपकी perception आप कैसे बनाते हैं? आपके perception के patterns क्या हैं? आपकी perception के patterns आपको positively लेके जा रहे हैं या आपको negatively लेकर जा रहे हैं? Number 3 is your emotion. आपको क्या feeling रहती है? Because thoughts can differ, but your feelings stay with you throughout the day. What do you feel the most? Apart from that, signaling. Signaling, for example, someone is driving and someone is drunk and then they are driving. So accident ho gaya. Why? Because the brain signaling was slow. And then there is physical, which means आपकी physical health कैसी है. So if your physical health is good, then your mental health will also be strong. And the last one is behavior, how you behave. These are a few mental health facts. It is a fact by World Health Organization that 10 to someone who has a mental health disorder and is not treated that disorder, then 10 to 20 years unki lifespan kam hoti hai. So this is not something that I have made up. It is a World Health Organization's fact. Now today, I think this is something now you may realize and understand the importance of mental health. 37% has suicidal ideation, 10% has suicide plans, and 3.3% had suicide attempts. 3 industries which have the most issues in mental health is number 1 is IT sector. Number 2 is business and advisory. And number 3 is finance. Most common mental health disorders in India is depression and anxiety. So these are myths. I just want to clear few myths. I'm not going to take out all of the myths here in front of you, but I just want to give an example of IQ and EQ. Intelligence quotient and emotional quotient. Both of them are different. And having intelligence high and low does not directly impact to your emotions. So this is the myth that if a person has mental health condition, it means the person has low intelligence, which is not true. Someone can be very intelligent, but can also have mental health problem. Mental health condition is a sign of weakness. If they were stronger, they would not have this condition, which is also not true. There is nothing such as strong, because I'll just give you one example. For example, मेरा हाथ कहीं जाके टकरा जाता है and I injure myself. And I tell myself physically that I am strong, though my bones are broken. That's not how it will heal, right? It needs treatment. So if you think that, you are strong, you will tell yourself that I'm strong, I can do this, I have, I have strength in me to heal myself. It's a myth. You need to take care of yourself professionally as well if someone is going through a mental health disorder or a mental health condition or mental health issue. Everyone gets depressed as they get older. It's just a part of aging process. Everyone does not get depressed as they age older. It is the hormonal imbalances happening in the body that might cause depression. If you try harder, you can make your symptoms go away. Just something which I was telling you right now. Everyone who has a mental illness needs medication to manage symptoms. That's also not true. If you are having a healthy lifestyle, if you are going to therapist, if you are getting a counseling session done, if you are talking to your friends and enjoying your hobbies, then also you can heal yourself. That's it for the day. Thank you so much, everyone.